Hello students, hope you all are good at your places. Children, many students are doing their homework nicely, but few students are not responding. Children, kindly pay attention to your studies, and I believe that you will utilize your time to enhance your knowledge. So, let us continue our chapter 1.
So students, our chapter is our body systems. We were discussing about the different organ systems of the human body, and our next organ system is the reproductive system. Students, this system helps to produce babies. So student, our next organ system is the excretory system. This system composed of kidney, ureter, urinary bladder. These all are the organs of excretory system. Now, kidneys are two bean-shaped organs. These filter the blood and waste liquid changes into urine. This urine goes into two very thin tubes called ureter. Okay, and from the ureter it goes into a balloon like organ called urinary bladder. When bladder becomes full, you feel like to go into the washroom. From the bladder, it passes out of the body from a part called urethra. Okay, this system helps to remove the waste materials from the body. So students, what we have learned about the excretory system? The excretory system is composed of kidney, ureter and urinary bladder. This system helps to remove the waste material from our body in the form of urine, excreta and sweat. So children, now our first chapter we have completed, and in my previous videos I have given you homework of worksheet 1 and worksheet 2. Many of you have done very correctly, but now I am revising all the answers. If any correction is there, please do that in your book. Okay. So worksheet 1, question number 1 is unscramble the words to reveal terms related to human body. So first one is organ, that is ORGAN. Second one is tissue, TISSUE. Third one is skeleton, that is SKELETON. Now question number 2, write whether each statement is true or false. First one, tissues are building blocks of our body, that is false. Cells are building blocks of our body. Second, cells join together to form a tissue, this is true. Third one, kidney is an organ, this is also true. D, excretory system is an organization, yes, this is true because many organs working together. Now question number 3, complete the sentences by filling in the blanks. These words are given and we have to choose them. Cells are the smallest functional unit of our body. Many cells join together to form a tissue. It will come here. Tissue. Sometimes a cell remain alone but it performs all the functions of life. The best example is bacteria. Okay. Now question number 4. What is question number 4? With respect to skeletal system, answer the following questions. First one is two functions of skeletal system. What are two functions of skeletal system? First one, it gives shape to our body and it gives support to our body. These are the two main functions of skeletal system. Now second one, how many bones are there in our body? 206. There are 206 bones in our body. Now number 3, what is the bony framework of our body called? The bony framework of our body is called skeletal system. Okay. Now worksheet 2 is there on page number 11. So question number 1, unscramble the letters to reveal the name of 3 systems. First one is circulatory, circulatory. Second one is nervous, nervous. Third one is digestive, digestive. Now second question is write whether each statement is true or false. So first one is there are 5 sense organs in humans. Yes, this is true, you all know. Now B, excretory system is composed of heart, blood and blood vessels. That is false, because just now we have learned excretory system is composed of, yes, kidney, ureter and urinary bladder. Now C1 is nervous system helps us to think, reason and act accordingly. Yes, this is true, because nervous system is composed of brain, spinal cord and nerves. Now D1 is the size of eyes remains same throughout the life. Yes, this is also true. Now question number 3, when we breathe in the air goes inside, this will come in first space, inside our body. This air is used to oxidize the food and release energy. This process is known as respiration. Energy released is used for doing various body activities. Now fourth one is what you have to do, name the system shown in the pictures. So first one is nervous system, second one is respiratory system, third one is circulatory system and fourth one is excretory system. Now question number 5 is there, give the composition of following system. First one is nervous system. It is composed of brain, here it will come brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay. Now circulatory system, it is composed of, first one is heart, blood and blood vessels. Now third one is digestive system. It is composed of liver, stomach and intestine. Now children, we have completed our worksheet 1 and 2 also. So do revise the chapter, watch the video carefully and do your homework in time. Okay. Till then, bye bye.